This lady has been doing comedy in Toledo and all over the region for a while. She's from Toledo. That's what's up. How you doing, dear? Have a seat. That's what, hell yeah. Come on up to the front, lady. Come on up, everybody. See, don't be scared to sit in the front. We ain't talking about nobody. We all family. Hold on, wait a minute, dear. This one right here. You want to sit right here? Okay. All right, let's take the energy back up. Let's give it up for Queen Cookie. Let's give it up. Let's go. Give it up for the Queen. The Queen.
All the shorties in the club, let me see you just back it up, drop it down, let me see you just get low, squat the ground, let me see you just push it up, let me see you just wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby.
Doing today? How y'all doing on Valentine's Day? I'm doing just wonderful, baby. I want to give out a warning and a disclaimer. I like to do this before I get started. I want to let y'all know that this is not the queen standing up here. This is menopause. And before y'all get to tweeting and twatting and texting and secretly calling your friends to tell them that I thought the queen was a Christian and saved. Well, the queen is a Christian, but menopause don't give a fuck. It don't give a damn what it says and what it does. It's on its own. Any girls, come on, how many menopausal women are in here? Thank you. I know it ain't just me up in this motherfucker. I want to let y'all know happy Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day. It's just this aroma that's been in the air all day. The smell of fucking. Every street I go down, I smell some fucking. Everywhere I turn. How many of you already fucked today? Come on, put your hands up. Put your hands up. All right, ain't many of y'all. It ain't many of y'all in here that fucked today. How many got fucking waiting on them when they get home? Now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. My husband, bless his heart, he's not on Viagra, but I told him today, since it's Valentine's Day, I want you to pop 2 of them motherfuckers before you come to the show. Because, baby, I want it standing like this when I get home. Because you know when you're menopausal, me and my husband, we just can't get up the energy to do it all the fucking time. We do it every other month. Because I ain't got the energy. We ain't fucking 4 and 5 times a day, every day, like we used to back in the day. I told my husband I got to have a special occasion. I just ain't fucking. You know, you might turn around and have a heart attack or a stroke or some shit. So, the last time I gave my husband some of this, it was Christmas Day. Because I ain't fucking all the time. Before Christmas, we fucked on Halloween. Because, you know, I just ain't got the energy like I used to have. So on Christmas Day, we sitting around there. Like I said, let me remind y'all, this is not the queen, this is menopause, because I don't want y'all going back to church on Sunday saying, she was up there just cussing and shit. Yes, I was, because it's menopause, and I let menopause do what it want to do. Come on, ladies, come on, I'm not the only one. So Christmas Day, I decided I'm going to give my husband some of this here. You know, it's Christmas. And you know, we baby boomers. We don't have no kids in the house. So I decided to go up in that closet and dig back up in there and found them fuck me shoes. Y'all know them shoes that's about this tall with the heel make you break a fucking ankle. You can't go but from the bed, you know, from the closet to the bed. Because you can't walk in them damn shoes. And then I went up in my drawer and I found my little negligee. You know that negligee with all the see-through shit? Got them little panties with that string all up the ass. And I decided to bend over. You know how we do, ladies. We bend over and we pick up that piece of paper down there on the floor so they can see all this shit back here. So I put on my little stuff and I went back there and I jumped in the bed and turned down the lights. Put that soft fuck me music on. And he was back there, he's looking, and here he comes just a-running, because he know he hadn't had none since Halloween. So he anxious to get this shit on Christmas. So we jump off in the bed, and I mean, we rock it. He rocking it. He knocking the bottom out of this vagina. He's doing it, I mean, we doing it. And you know how you almost get there? One more downstroke, I'm there. But then all of a sudden, menopause taps me on my fucking shoulder and say some shit like, have you taken your blood pressure pill? I'm like, don't you see I'm fucking busy? Listen with me by some blood pressure pill. But then something say, well, you better lay up here and fuck this shit because you know you don't tell men. You don't tell men, ladies, we got to stop this shit and start over. Because men ain't gonna say it. But they thinking if you told them some shit like that, damn, it took me 30 minutes to warm your ass up. I ain't starting this shit again. Turn the fucking football game on. I'm tired of this shit. So I said, you know what, I ain't gonna tell him that. I'm just gonna lay up there and fake it. You know how you do it. I laid up there and fake it. And I said to myself, well, let him get his orgasm. And when he get up to go clean himself off, y'all know how they go clean themselves off. I'll just pull out one of them animals. Y'all know, ladies. Y'all know about them battery-operated beavers. Them battery-operated rabbits. And them bullets and shit. And I got a battery-operated anaconda in my drawer. So them bitches was back there spending at attention in the drawer. And you know, they knew some fucking was going on. And they back there, my drawer rumbling and shit. So I said, when he go get back in the bathroom to clean himself off, I'm a reach back there in that drawer. And I'm going to pull one of them anacondas out of there. And I went back there and I pulled it out. You know how it's got that long penis up there. It's got that little side piece over here. And both of them chews on your ass at the same time. They hit them spots that Mr. Hubby can't hit. So, you know, I didn't just take me on home, because I knew I wasn't going to get no more of this here shit till Memorial Day. Because tonight is Valentine's Day, and my husband is waiting on us to go home. And I tell you, my animals is already lined up in the bed, and they can't wait till we get there. My name is the Queen. Happy Valentine's Day to y'all. I hope y'all get fucked up in here tonight.
Y'all keep it going for the Queen.